Good, Grizzly Squad? It's your boy Grizzly Morning. I'm back with another daggone video, y'all. Alright, so I'm not about to start up the baby right now. You see I got the hood open, but also I got a box, man. So it's about to be another mod. This mod is only $50. I'm gonna let y'all know right now. You can get off Amazon or you can get off eBay. I got mine off eBay, okay? That's my spot. That's the place that I go to. I go to eBay a lot. Alright, so this is something if you want a budget and you want your car to look good. So it's about $50. All right, you ain't gotta ask me for the link and stuff like that. I'm gonna put it down below for you guys. All right, so y'all can go ahead and get it. So let's go ahead and open this thing, man. All right, so I'm about to try to open it with one hand. So let's see here. You see I open up the hood. So y'all see I got the V8. Got the oil catch can right there. Oh, it doesn't look like it's. Oh, it's not. It's just dirty. Okay. So I got an oil catch can. Got the K&N filter in here. I also need to get that cold air intake. That will be coming soon. Might be the next month. I don't know. Hint, hint. All right, so let's see. Let's see. I can just open this joint up myself without even using the scissors. Got the strong hands over here. All right, so look. This is a simple mod, and it should change the front of the car. Okay. So y'all probably already know what it is. So it's the Easy Pro. You see it right here. So it goes at the bottom half. I got the Pro version. So what you got to do is it's like more thicker, as you see. We got people running around. They checking out everything. So it's just a little longer. So when I actually put it on the front grille, you see it's gonna have like a nice width to it. And then when it lower, it might be scraping the ground because that lowering kit coming soon too. It look good, but I'm not gonna do anything today. That's gonna be in the next video, pretty much. Nothing. Man, that thing scared the mess out of me. I jumped for a minute. I didn't even see it right there. See, I paid attention to my surroundings, but I did not see that. That thing was camouflaging. Made me forget everything I was about to say. All right, but let me get back to track. I think I want to say like. All right, so I'm not going to put it on today, but I'm going to put it on tomorrow. It's still going to be the same video. That's what I meant to say. It's still going to be the same video, but it's only going to be a few seconds for y'all, but it's going to be a whole day for me because I'm going to do it tomorrow. Cause I'm about to go bike riding. I'm going to put that in the video also. Hopefully I can get it because the sun look like it's going down. Just trying to get like a, 2-hour ride. The jets up there. Let's see if I can see them. Y'all see them jets? Messing up my video. Life of a YouTuber, man. It's hard. It's not easy as you think it is, man. But the content and then the distractions around you, something's always going on. So I'm about to go put this thing on tomorrow. See y'all in a few. Hard to see the trail a little bit. Hey, no, you good, man. How are you? There's a lot of leaves in here. Oh, day 1 to the 2. What's good, y'all? Good morning or good afternoon, whatever it is, man. I think it's the afternoon, but like I said, it'll be the next day when I'll be putting this lip on. So the things that you will be needing when you put this, what is it called? Let's see here. This Easy Pro lip. You're gonna need some alcohol. So I already did it. So you take a, get your microfiber cloth, wipe it down regular. Then you put a little bit of alcohol on it, and maybe y'all can see it, maybe you don't. Put a little bit of alcohol on it, and then you rub at the bottom of where you're going to stick it at, so the adhesive can actually stick on there, perfectly. So it's a nice warm day. I'm surprised because it was really foggy and I thought I was going to record today, but look at it. Things work out, man. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. You're also going to need, let me show you, you're going to need some scissors. Of course, you need that. Microfiber cloth. And yeah, that's about it. It's going to be pretty simple. and you're gonna try to get it. Let me get on this. I'm at back low in my car yet, so you're gonna try to get it at this little lip right here. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I might have to push it back a little bit more and then make it work that way. But let's get started. All right, y'all, so it's a windy day, so hopefully the wind doesn't really get into it. But yeah, this is what we're about to install. We're about to go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and take it out. So it's fairly thick. So that's gonna be, what's this, about two inches down. So I'm gonna try to get it to where it's like that. I'm gonna see if it might look okay. But I'm gonna start on the left side. I hope this is long enough. I don't know. We about to see if this fits on the Chrysler 300. Hopefully it's long enough and it don't look stupid. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I'm gonna time lapse a little bit of it, but I'm also gonna show y'all how I install it. I'm doing it all myself, so yeah. It's not hard at all. All you do is just move. It's double-sided tape, so you just move this, and as you apply it, you move it over and apply. There's no screws needed to add this lip, so about to say I do have screws just in case I want to secure it more. See how that is. Other people, they use the heat gun afterwards. I don't know if I have to do that, but I've seen people do it and some people don't. I'll figure it out when I'm done with this video, man. But yeah, just follow me on this journey, and we about to just get this journey done. All right, don't mind me, y'all, and don't be judging me by my hair too long, cause I'm getting my hair cut on Friday, so don't laugh at me, you know. So let's go ahead and get this done. So I'm probably gonna start it something right here. I think it looks good right there. I don't know how people, they be getting it like sticking up like this. Hold on, let me see. They be sticking up like that. I want it to hang, you know, so it can like look lower. So let's see. Let's go ahead and take this tape off. Oh yeah, you're gonna need nails. Good thing I ain't cut my nails. Well, I mean, they ain't that long. They all right. I like to keep my nails short. All right, so let's see. Sorry, just find out where that little line is at. Boom. I'm gonna start it right there. That looks perfect. I'm probably gonna get a screw and screw it right here. Like, I'm probably gonna screw it at the very end, just so I don't have to worry about anything falling off. But it looks, dang, it's sticking. It took me less than, what, 15 minutes to do this install, from wiping to actually being careful. I think the being careful and actually installing it takes about 10 minutes. And just the wiping it down before, that's 5 minutes and stuff like this, prepping. So yeah, I'm done. So the last step you gotta do, let me show y'all real quick. The last step you gotta do is just cut the ending piece. Okay, came out good. Look at that, look how straight that is, flush. And I got a little bit left. All right, so they give you a little bit more. All right, so this fall weather gave me a little bit of break, man. It feels like a summer day out here. It's hot as some mud. But y'all see the finishing touches? Let me show y'all real quick, so y'all can get my view how it's gonna look. Y'all see that? Yeah, so it gives a more aggressive front look. So especially when that thing is lowered, oh my goodness. Get ready for that pressure, man. But yeah, this is the end of the video, man. Subscribe to the channel because I'm coming out with these bangers every single goddamn day. You see it's sweating. It got hot in Maryland, bro. It was so weird in Maryland. Like, it's so cold in the morning, and then like later on it's like 70 plus degrees. But yeah, that's the end of the video, y'all. Peace. Subscribe, comment down below. Tell me what y'all like about the 300 or whatever, any of the stuff that's coming up, bro. If you're excited about something, whatever, man, just hit me up, man. Comment down below and share this video. We almost at 1,000 subscribers, man. Well, we almost at 900 and 1,000 is on the way. 150 short, maybe it might be different now that I'm recording this, but yeah. I'll see y'all later. Peace. Oh yeah, before I start this video, I don't think I gotta do no heat gun stuff. I guess some people have to do that if it's colder, but it's hot. It's like 75 degrees, probably 80 degrees right now. I'm gonna let the sun do its work, man. Just let it sit. I'm not driving my car for a minute. I'm gonna let it stay right here. And yeah. Oh yeah, it wouldn't be a video if I didn't get the cold start. It's not even a cold start right now because I had to do a few things in the morning. But let's go ahead and get this cold start. Jay still sound aggressive too. I might do one little should I do one rev for my Grizzly squad, man. All right, man, I'm really going this time. Peace, y'all.